Hi, everybody. Welcome back to South Pass Wellness. I'm Althea. It's so good of you to join me on this Thunder Thursday, the day where we self-improve. The day where we self-improve. All right, so as you can see behind me, I am in a different location in what used to be my office at home. Now, since I got my location, of course, in the process of getting everything cleaned up and everything like that, which brings me to my next point. All right, so I'm going to walk over here. I'm going to show you. This this has been exciting. This is my labor of love. And I have been working on this little gizmo for a year. Once in a while you think, you know what? I seen that, I can do that, I'm going to do that, and then it doesn't work out at all. So what happened is I seen this blanket on Facebook. I thought maybe I would try it. I thought, you know what, I have daughter-in-laws, and I have a daughter, and I would like to make a blanket for each of them. So I started out on it. And then what happened is the first time I got the frame all built, got the nails in, got all my yarn up. 2 hours it took me to put all that yarn up. And my frame went whoop and started dropping all of my yarn. So I had to hurry and get it off of the frame. And during that process, because of the position I was in when I was winding up all that yarn, I ended up kinking something. So I ended up going to the chiropractor. So then, come back home, we strengthened the frame, and I put all the yarn back up. And the frame went whoop the other way. And I was like, seriously, right? So then we redid the frame. We secured it on every corner we could possibly think of. And then we got new wood and secured it, built a new frame. And then I was like, okay, instead of nails, I'm going to be using screws. Now, part of the issue that I was having was with the screws and the threads, I didn't want it to cut my yarn. And so I decided to wrap the screws in something, right? So first I tried the plumber's tape, did not stick. Then I tried electrical tape, did not stick. Then I was like, okay, we'll try duct tape. And after I removed my finger prints, then I had gotten all the screws wrapped, only to come out the next day and find that the duct tape had also come undone. So as I thought and pondered this, then I was like, seriously, there's got to be something. And one night I had a dream that I should use hot glue. And so that's exactly what I did. I went and got hot glue. I got the screws. I put hot glue on them. And that has worked. So, proceeded back to the first blanket. Got it all on there. Was looking great. Held up, everything was going good. I tied it. I was getting ready. I was like, oh my gosh, this is turning out so good. I'm so excited. And I started to cut it. And that's when the next issue happened. I didn't tie it right. So all of my little pom-poms that I was working very diligently at creating, all of the yarn just started pulling out of the knots. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So not only had I spent months, then that blanket that I started on, which was, I love the colors and everything, all ruined. I could not save it. There was none of that. And also it weighed 75 pounds, which was quite surprising to me. So here is the self-improvement thing that we are doing this time. We are finishing this blanket this weekend, and by next Thursday, I will show you the finished product. And I'm very excited to be able to have it completed. So, do you have a craft project that you have started that you have not finished? Come on now, you know you got some. So here is the improvement thing that we're going to work on this week. Finishing craft projects. It is important that when we are learning how to discipline ourselves, that we learn the importance of following through and completion, right? At least we're hoping we're learning that. So that is what we're doing. Drop me a comment on what you are going to be finishing for your Thunder Thursday self-improvement. And I look forward to not only showing you the results, but then seeing all of your results that you guys have done. So post pictures, let me know in the comments, and we will see you next Thursday. Bye.